Picture this. Tens of thousands of Roman soldiers lined up before battle. Shields ready, swords sharpened. But before they marched into chaos, what fueled them? Was it lavish feasts from conquered lands? Or something far simpler? The truth is, the Roman war machine didn't run on luxury. It ran on the most basic humble meals: bread, grains, cheese, and a splash of sour wine. And yet, these rations gave an empire its strength. The staple food of a Roman soldier was panis militaris, a hard, dense bread baked from wheat or barley. It wasn't tasty, but it was durable, portable, and packed with energy. Soldiers often carried it on long marches, chewing it alongside cheese or dried fruits. Another cornerstone was pulse, a porridge made from grains and water. Sometimes they flavored it with vegetables, beans, or a drizzle of olive oil when supplies allowed. Meat, surprisingly, was rare. Unless they hunted or raided fresh supplies, most legionaries went days without it. To wash it all down, soldiers drank Posca, a mixture of sour wine, vinegar, and water. It wasn't a luxury drink, but it killed bacteria, kept them hydrated, and gave a little energy boost. Imagine thousands of men sipping the same sharp, sour mix before heading into battle. This diet wasn't about pleasure. It was about endurance. Bread and grains provided long-lasting fuel. Cheese and beans gave protein. Posca kept them safe from disease. Together, this simple meal gave Roman soldiers the stamina to march 20 miles a day and still fight when they arrived. So, before the clash of swords and the roar of battle, the Roman soldier's strength didn't come from banquets or feasts. It came from bread, porridge, cheese, and sour wine, humble foods that built an empire. Because in Rome, even the simplest meal could conquer the world.